Hiya guys, Mark here from remote8.com.au. This is the tuning instructions for one of our waterproof digital external keypads, okay, for the Centurion Pro and Avanti and all the models listed on the website, okay. So what we need to do, so this motor says LL on it, yours won't say LL, it'll maybe just have a green dot. This is just because it's a demo model. Okay, so to tune this one in, we're going to press the learn button once and a BU will appear, okay? So then we're going to press 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, transmit 1. Okay, so now 4 zeros will be tuned into your opener and it will open your door. So if we go 1, 2, 3, 4, transmit 1, the door operates, okay? So what we need to do now is change the code to your code, okay? So let me just stop this one. 2, 3, 4, transmit 1. Okay, so now we're going to change the code, all right? So to do that, have your code in mind, obviously ready to change it. And I'll show you how to do that now. Okay, so what we need to do is press these 3 buttons once, then put the 4 0 code in. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, transmit 1. Okay, now press the 3 dots again. Now enter your new code. I'll enter a new code. I'll put 4 9s just as my code. 1, 2, 3, 4. Transmit 1. That didn't work, so I'm going to just try that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, transmit 1. Okay, so that didn't work, so I'm going to try it again. So this may happen to you, so now it's gone off. I'm going to try it again. So the code to open the door is still 4 zeros. Okay, so we need to change it. So here we go again. So we press the 3 dots here. Then 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. Transmit 1. Then the 3 dots again. Then add your new code. So I'll add my new code. 4 9s. 1, 2, 3, 4. Transmit 1. There we go. So the long beep means it's changed. Okay. So now if I press my 4 9s or your new code. 1, 2, 3, 4. Transmit 1. The door's operating. Okay. Once you've done that, screw your backing plate on outside, and these 2 underneath here, there's 2 screws that just screw straight to the wall. Very simple to do. Okay, if you've got any problems, let me know. This keypad can control up to 4 doors. So where we go transmit 1, that's your first door. So if you were going to tune it into a second door, you do transmit 2 or transmit 3. Okay, I hope that makes sense. There is instructions included with it. You can also just give us a call on the helpline if you get stuck. Okay, thank you.